Samsung has just made their ultimate power move. What's up guys, we have some exciting unpacked news on our hands regarding the Galaxy S25 series and Samsung's plans for 2025. They are indeed going all out. The first ever 2025 product from Samsung is actually official. This is Samsung's answer to Apple, the Galaxy XR headset's first official look. The most groundbreaking thing about the Galaxy XR headset compared to Apple Vision Pro is that it's got AI-powered Android XR built in collaboration with Google. According to the media that got hands-on with the Galaxy XR headset, they said that it is the first ever headset that is completely all-seeing and all-listening thanks to the Gemini AI. Gemini AI sees exactly what you can see when you have the XR headset on, helping you out with pretty much everything in real time. Design-wise, it does look similar to the Apple Vision Pro while being a lot lighter, and it has all the motion sensing and all the camera tech inside for those floating gestures. We're definitely going to hear more about this at the Galaxy S25 Unpacked event. Now, the second big power move is first, Samsung actually caught the leakster who leaked the real hands-on live footage of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is the first time Samsung caught the leakster. It's a power move indeed, but what's even bigger power move is Samsung's plan for the S25 series. Unlike other brands, Samsung is going all out with even bigger sales target for the Galaxy S25 series, which is now set to 37 million units, which is a bit higher compared to their last year's target. What's even more exciting is the second generation of Galaxy AI features, which could finally introduce a massive AI-powered Bixby to rival Siri. Now, in the previous video, we mentioned how Samsung could bring MagSafe for the Galaxy S25 series, and well, apparently Samsung is planning magnet cases for the S25 series in order to take advantage of this next-gen charging standard. They might even launch other MagSafe accessories like wallets, power banks, and even pop grips. Now, regarding the pricing of the S25 series, it seems like in Europe, the price will not change. It's gonna be similar to the prices of the S24 series. This is a great news because we heard that Samsung might be increasing the price. Like I said, nothing is official right now. So if all goes good, this could be the same thing for other markets as well. So a good news indeed. Speaking of good news, apparently Samsung has planned an exciting new color variant of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in titanium white silver. According to Ice Universe, this could actually be the most beautiful model with white back plus silver middle frame. Also, S25 Ultra's memory info was revealed as well, and this shows that you can now get 16GB of RAM even with the 512GB model. And speaking of memory, S25 Ultra is rumored to come with UFS 4.1 storage, which is the fastest standard. It's gonna make everything super snappy when it comes to transferring speeds, as well as doing things like installing apps or uninstalling apps extremely fast. So there we go, Samsung is indeed making some powerful moves with the Galaxy XR headset powered by AI, along with an even bigger shipment plan for the S25 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe for all the up-to-date news. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.